Need a companion while driving? Put Pokey on your dashboard. It's an interactive robot, similar to those desktop robots, but Pokey was designed to entertain you on the go. It responds to your driving in real time, makes faces, and reacts to car movements. For example, it gets dizzy when you brake sharply and feels happy when you gain speed. Under that helmet, there's a whole array of components, from the Espressif mini chip and an OLED display to an accelerometer, touch sensor, and USB Type-C for power. With over 50 animations, Pokey provides emotional support on the road. Nonetheless, remember to stay focused and safe while driving. Feeling like your car audio lacks bass when you're on the move? The Seventour ST800 is an advanced 10-inch ultra-slim subwoofer that you can place under your car seat to enhance your bass experience. With a peak power of 800 watts, it promises captivating bass performance. The cast aluminum enclosure ensures excellent heat dissipation, while a customized spider speaker protector and striking LED ambient light ring illuminated by blue LEDs upon ignition enhance your car's aesthetic appeal. Ring is primarily known for its home security products. However, did you know that the brand also offers a product for your car? Ring's Car Cam is a dual-camera dash cam that captures both interior and exterior activity. It's easy to install and control via the app. The cams record in 1080p resolution and include a GPS locator and two-way talk functionality. Need privacy? You can disable the interior-facing cam while keeping the forward-facing cam active. Additionally, the app provides live viewing, remote communication, and notifications. A subscription unlocks remote features over LTE and cloud storage. Without a subscription, recordings are stored locally. Roads can be absolutely unpredictable, which is why it's better to have a helping hand in your trunk to manage quick fixes. Go Pump can become that kind of help, merging an air pump, jump starter, power bank, camping light, and flashlight into a compact, rugged tool. It inflates tires, and not only them, in just 1.5 minutes, and jumpstarts engines up to 8.5 liters of gas or 6.5-liter diesel with a powerful 2,500 amp current. The 20,800 milliamp hour power bank keeps essential gear charged for days, and with several USB ports, allows you to keep a couple of your gadgets powered up too. Additionally, with a 350 lumen flashlight and a versatile LED camping light, it's ideal for any roadside emergency. Last but not least, it occupies way less space than a bunch of separate gadgets. It's the simplest, yet one of the most effective defenders of your vehicle. This Category 3 security steering wheel lock covers your entire steering wheel and boasts a unique spinning mechanism that thwarts thieves' attempts to turn it. Can you suggest a better shield against modern theft techniques like key cloning and keyless entry theft? Me neither. One more advantage is that it's highly visible, so it deters criminals at first sight. So simple, yet so effective. Wow, that ride was awesome. But now both of us need a shower. Meet the WaterPORT Off-Road Shower, your new favorite adventure buddy. This portable, pressurized water storage system conveniently attaches to your vehicle, allowing you to refresh yourself whenever you need it. It's solar-powered, so while you're off exploring, it heats up your 8 gallons of water for a well-deserved warm shower or bike cleaning. It's sturdy, easy to refill, and simple to use. Gear up for your next journey and stay fresh. Are you an outdoor enthusiast? Is that why the trunk of your car looks like a complete mess? Let's make it a bit more organized with the Goat Boxco Hub. It's a large and heavy-duty storage system, yet it offers a massive 62-quart capacity. The main compartment is a large cooler with freeze-frame insulation that excels in ice retention, even in warm conditions. It effectively chills beverages and food, including keeping pizza fresh overnight. Additionally, there are modular cans that allow you to keep everything isolated, from your gadgets and gear to first aid kit. By the way, in case there are more than 4 of them, there's a goat rack that organizes the interchangeable cans in a single centralized location. And the front-facing cargo net is a go-to stash for the gear you need at hand, from winter gloves to shop rags. Overall, it's a good storage system.